Wait. Camera. Okay, hey guys. I'll change eggs. It's awesome and cool slime. So I didn't buy it, but I just made it. See? All you need is glue. And kinetic sand. And mix. Okay guys. Oops, camera fell. I just have to change my pen, so you might wait a while. So I just came back from, and this camera is annoying. So I finished it. All you got to do is mix, guys. So you just go and mix, then knead it. And that's it for today. Now, there you have it. I was making a YouTube video. Okay. My sister wants to watch Attack on the Titans. Ouch. So this is really fun. See. It's the best. See, it doesn't stick. So it's better than Susie Rockstar World, and she's my friend. She tried to do slime, but it's always a fail. So I used to do slime, and it used to be a fail, and I was like, not a fail. So I didn't fail it, and yeah, I'm gonna play with it. Slime is amazing. So it's a fun to play with. If you have glue, Elmer's glue, and kinetic sand, just do it. Then you get this awesome making slime. So bye guys. See you guys tomorrow. So bye. Subscribe and like. Leave a comment who's one's better, me or my sister slime. So we both did slime and it really worked.